Hey everyone, and welcome back. Get ready to indulge in a sweet history lesson as we delve into the fascinating world of chocolate. From its ancient origins to modern-day innovations, come discover the rich story of this beloved treat on today's episode of Curious Corner. The history of chocolate is a long and fascinating one. It can be traced back to ancient Mesoamerican civilizations, where the cacao tree, the tree from which cocoa beans are harvested, was first cultivated and used to make a bitter beverage. Just FYI, cacao is a word used to refer to the tree and the beans produced by the tree, which are used to make chocolate. The word is derived from the Aztec word cacahuatl, and is commonly used in English, as well as in other languages. The scientific name of the tree is Theobroma cacao. Now let's get back to the history. The Mayans and Aztecs believed that the cacao tree was a gift from the gods and held it in high regard. They used the beans to make a bitter drink called huexicotl, which was consumed during religious ceremonies and as a form of currency. The word chocolate comes from the Aztec word huexicotl, which was later adapted by the Spanish when they discovered the beverage during their conquest of Mexico in the 16th century. The Spanish added sweeteners such as sugar and cinnamon to make the drink more palatable, and it quickly became popular among European aristocrats. During the 18th century, the Industrial Revolution brought new innovations in the production of chocolate. The invention of the steam engine made it possible to grind cocoa beans into a fine powder, and the development of the hydraulic press allowed for the production of cocoa butter. These advancements made it possible to produce chocolate on a mass scale, making it more affordable and accessible to the general public. In the 19th century, the invention of the conching machine revolutionized the chocolate-making process. It is typically a large, shallow vessel that is heated and has rollers inside. The chocolate is placed in the conching machine and the rollers move the chocolate around, which helps to refine and smooth it. The chocolate is also heated, which helps to develop its flavor and texture. The conching process can take several hours, and the longer the chocolate is conched, the smoother and more refined it will become. Additionally, conching helps to remove unwanted flavors and aromas from the chocolate, and it can also help to blend different types of chocolate together for a consistent flavor. The Swiss chocolate maker, Daniel Peter, was the first to add milk to chocolate in 1875, creating the first milk chocolate. This new type of chocolate became extremely popular, and milk chocolate is now the most consumed type of chocolate worldwide. During the 20th century, chocolate continued to evolve and new forms such as white chocolate and chocolate bars were introduced. The rise of fast food culture also saw the development of chocolate-coated snacks such as chocolate-covered peanuts and raisins. Today, chocolate is a multi-billion-dollar industry, enjoyed by people all over the world in a variety of forms. From chocolate bars to truffles, and even in chocolate-flavored ice cream, cakes, and pastries. In recent years, there has been a growing awareness of the social and environmental impact of chocolate production. Many chocolate companies have come under scrutiny for their use of child labor and exploitation of cocoa farmers in developing countries. As a result, many chocolate companies have made commitments to ethical sourcing and fair trade practices. In addition, some chocolate producers are now using sustainable farming methods to reduce the environmental impact of cacao cultivation. In conclusion, chocolate has a rich and fascinating history that spans back to ancient civilizations. From its humble beginnings as a bitter drink, to the sweet and creamy treats we know and love today, chocolate has undergone a remarkable evolution. Today, chocolate is enjoyed by people all over the world, and is a multi-billion-dollar industry. However, as consumers, it is important to be aware of the social and environmental impact of chocolate production, and support ethical and sustainable practices. Thanks for watching, and we hope you've learned something new and delicious about the rich history of chocolate. Don't forget to subscribe to Curious Corner for more interesting and mouth-watering content.